Hi everyone. My students recently surprised me by making plastic balloons out of plastic pens. For me, the experiment is normally a simple demonstration of polythene formation in a process called polymerization, where many monomers join together to form a long chain of hydrocarbons called a polymer. I therefore normally burn one end of a plastic pen and pull it to show the long chain. But this time around, I invited my students to do the same and see who would form the longest chain. I did this because over the years I have trusted my students more and more, and instead of treating them as if they know nothing and that knowledge should flow from me to them, I have come to the realization that they surprisingly know a lot, and given a chance, they can come up with highly innovative ideas beyond the expectation of any teacher. And for sure, this is exactly what they did. They started blowing the burnt pens and obtaining plastic bubbles or balloons, to my utter disbelief. To be honest, I could not have come up with such a demonstration in 1,000 years, yet here we were. Amazingly, the tube, as thin as it is continuous, and again one of the students demonstrated this by blowing and sucking air from the tube. I'm not sure whether my students had seen this demonstration elsewhere, or it was purely an ingenious moment from them, because it was only after the class that I saw a similar demonstration on YouTube. But that notwithstanding, I must admit that my students really amazed me, and I want to agree with the new CBC curriculum, where the teacher should not be the sole container of knowledge, but only guide and facilitate the learning process. Given a chance, students can really be innovative, creative, and ingenious. We should win ourselves from the mentality that we, the teachers, are they who know, and the students are they who know not. To demonstrate this further, when I was doing this video, I had planned to go to the local slaughterhouse and collect some blood. I therefore felt so bad when I realized that I had forgotten this very important thing. One of the students suggested that we should use a tomato, and I immediately sent one student to the kitchen to collect one for us. But then again, another student suggested that we use potassium permanganate, and it is at this point when I wondered how a whole chemistry and physics graduate could not have thought about that. The video came out so perfectly that my mom and my sister had an argument whether it was real or not, with my mom maintaining that it was not real, out of age and experience perhaps, but my sister, among other individuals, thinking that I was truly hurt during the experiment. Thank you so much. I'm out.